So let me guess how your Lakewood Ranch search probably started, right? You typed in Lakewood Ranch homes, maybe you typed in best neighborhoods in Lakewood Ranch, and within about 5 minutes, you were being served glossy videos, ads for brand new communities, places like Waterside Place, Lorraine Lakes, the Lake Club, Azario Esplanade, resort-style swimming pools, clubhouses, drone shots, big promises, and none of that is wrong. But here's the part that surprises a lot of buyers once they actually move here. Some of the happiest people in Lakewood Ranch don't live in the newest communities. They actually live right here in Greenbrook Village. No gates, no massive clubhouse, no lifestyle director, no resort-style swimming pools. Yet people stay here for years, decades even. My wife and I live right here in Greenbrook Village. We walk these sidewalks, we visit these parks, we talk to the neighbors. And I have helped buyers and sellers in this neighborhood long enough to hear the same questions over and over and over again. Hey Adam, why do people love it here so much? So today, in today's video, I'm gonna answer that honestly. Not a sales pitch, not as a ranking, just the real reasons that people choose Greenbrook and stay. And stick with me because one of these reasons usually matters more after you move in than before. One of the first things that people notice when they drive into Greenbrook is not the houses, although that is important, it's actually the feeling. So this neighborhood was mostly built between the early 2000s and around 2010, give or take. That timing definitely matters. Because unlike brand new construction communities where everyone's still trying to figure things out all at the same time, Greenbrook already knows what it is. You'll meet families who have lived here for 10, 15, even 20 years, people who have raised their kids there, who now have grandkids visiting, neighbors who recognize each other, who wave, who stop and talk. That longevity, it definitely creates stability. Now, in newer neighborhoods in Lakewood Ranch, turnover, it is definitely expected. People move in, they move out, they upgrade, they relocate. That is just fine. But this definitely creates a completely different rhythm. Whereas in Greenbrook, it just feels, I don't know, kind of settled. And here's something that buyers definitely do not think about until later. Mature trees, they definitely matter. Shade matters. As somebody who records a lot of videos outside in Greenbrook, can you see? Shade. No shade. Those trees, they definitely matter. Now in places like Waterside or Crestwind or Del Webb, don't get me wrong, that landscaping is stunningly beautiful, but it's also young. So it's gonna be 10, 15 years before you get a real canopy, if ever. Greenbrook already has it. And that usually means cooler walks, maybe a little more privacy, and a neighborhood that feels lived in and not freshly unwrapped. So you're not just buying a house here, you're actually stepping into a place with a little history. Okay, so let's talk about money because this is one of the biggest reasons that people quietly choose to live in Greenbrook. And no, it's not just about the purchase price. I'm talking about what it costs to live here, what it costs to live here in Greenbrook over time. The HOA fees in Greenbrook are extremely low by Lakewood Ranch standards. We're talking about roughly about $100 a year, not a month, a year. Now compare that to newer communities where HOA fees can run $400, $600, sometimes $700 a month. Over 5 years, that difference can be tens of thousands of dollars. And yes, Greenbrook Village does have CDD fees, but they are moderate and they are predictable. And what really matters is stability. Greenbrook's HOA fees have been steady for years. Residents aren't constantly bracing for the next surprise increase tied to aging amenities or underfunded reserves. And here's what that means in real life. Lower carrying costs equal more flexibility. Travel, savings, college, retirement, or simply just less financial stress. And that breathing room, it shows up every single month. Okay, let's talk about a lifestyle that is actually used. Home builders in Lakewood Ranch, they love to sell a lifestyle, right? Yoga classes, wine tastings, poolside events. And believe me, don't get me wrong, I sell lifestyle. It is a huge part of Lakewood Ranch, but we're talking about Greenbrook. And here's the truth that most residents will not say out loud. Are you ready? Come a little closer. A lot of those amenities, they just go unused. But Greenbrook does not sell a lifestyle. It just lives one. Sidewalks here are busy. They are not stage busy, but real busy. Morning walkers, runners, parents with strollers, kids on bikes and scooters. And Adventure Park, first of all, it's awesome, but it is not a showpiece. It is a central hub of the neighborhood. Soccer practices, families flying kites, pickup games, evening walks, and because Greenbrook isn't gated or curated, the connections just happen naturally. At the dog park, at bus stops, on evening walks, it just feels organic, not programmed. And for a lot of people moving here, especially from places where a community kind of felt forced or maybe isolated, that is a big deal. A lot of folks, especially a lot of families, they move to Greenbrook because of the schools, but they stay because of the logistics. The schools are close, the bus routes fairly manageable, the morning routines, they don't feel, well, chaotic. Well, maybe a little chaotic, but not really chaotic. Now in Greenbrook Village, a lot of the kids, they can walk to school, they can take their bike, they can take their scooter. Of course, parents still drop them off, but the sidewalks here, they're continuous, which is really one of the reasons that we actually love living in Greenbrook. If you follow me on social media, Adam Miller in Florida, by the way, Facebook and Instagram, you know that I do my morning walk Monday through Friday through Greenbrook Village. It's so beautiful. Generally speaking, I think parents tend to feel a little safer letting their kids move around independently. Do your research. Every neighborhood has some kind of crime, but do your research. And you can definitely tell that there is a strong family culture here, not just on paper, but in daily life. And that definitely reduces friction. And less friction means less stress. Because I definitely hear it all the time from people who are thinking about moving to Greenbrook Village, but they're always like, Adam, it's for kids and families, right? So Greenbrook is awesome for everybody. We see retirees, we see couples about my age in the 50s, we see lots of singles, people working remotely. It is a nice mix. Greenbrook hits a balance that is hard to find in Lakewood Ranch. Homes in Greenbrook Village, they tend to be on slightly larger lots, and that means more room for pools, more room for gardens. The backyards, they don't feel as exposed. Now, don't be confused, this is definitely not acreage living. You're not isolated, you're not driving 10, 15, 20 minutes just to see one of your neighbors. But mature landscaping definitely creates privacy without separation. You get space and connection, and for a lot of buyers, that's the sweet spot. Now, in my humble opinion, I think that Greenbrook Village's location is probably one of its most underrated features. You're close to shopping, UTC Mall, Main Street, restaurants, schools, Lakewood Ranch Medical Center, State Road 70, Lakewood Ranch Boulevard, I-75, all relatively close. But you're far enough east to avoid the worst congestions. There's still congestions, don't get me wrong, but we're kind of spared a little bit. Running errands doesn't feel like projects, commutes don't drain you, and when you're home, it kind of feels a little calmer. That rhythm matters more than people expect. Okay, here is why I think that people love Greenbrook Village. They stay. You see original owners still in the neighborhood. Let me say that again. You see the original owners still in the neighborhood. You see families moving within the neighborhood. You see retirees downsizing, but not leaving. That definitely tells you something. And generally speaking, homes here, they remain in steady demand, especially from buyers who want space and value and authenticity over flash. Staying power, it definitely matters. Financial breathing room, a real daily lifestyle, mature surroundings, space without isolation, convenience without chaos. And that is why my wife and I chose to live here. Now, if you want to stay informed about what's actually happening in the neighborhood and not just what shows up on the listing sites, I did publish the Greenbrook Village Insider. All right, so it's a quickly monthly update covering new listings, sales activities, any insurance changes that might be going on, and the things that the brochures just don't tell you. You'll find a link in the description down below, or you can just scan the QR code on the screen. Of course, if you have any questions, my contact information is also going to be down below. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you next time, everyone.